I'm Eddie, and I want you to be the best YouTuber you can be. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about when you should be uploading, an upload schedule. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you a little secret that you need to know as a new content creator. Let's talk about new content creators. If you have less than 150 videos out, realistically, you need to be uploading as often as possible. 150 videos is a good number to have. It makes it easier for the algorithm to recognize what your consistency is, and it helps identify when your audience is going to be listening to your videos. So it makes it a lot easier for the numbers. If you have over 1,000 subscribers or more than 150 videos out there, basically got consistency going for you. So it's pretty easy to figure out when you need to upload according to what your audience is watching. So make sure you're paying attention to that number. Look at the algorithm. Look at the statistics that they're going to be given to you. Follow what the consistency is. And because this video is going to be fairly short, I'm going to tell you a little secret about your upload schedule. You can actually figure out what your upload schedule is going to be based on the information that you have before you even post a single video. Basically, the way you do that is you need to analyze when you watch videos and when your audience is watching videos before you start posting videos. You're going to have an audience expectation according to the videos that you're putting out there. You have to figure out who you want your audience to be, figure out what their needs are, figure out when they're watching videos, and then follow that schedule. And you can do that because there are lots of content creators out there right now on YouTube that already have a set pattern and set audience. If you're interested in something, you should be watching those videos yourselves already. And in doing so, what's your schedule and what's the schedule that they have up? So you're watching people on YouTube, learning from them on what they do and watching what their audience likes to do. That makes it super easy for you to go and create the content that they already want to watch because it's already set for you. That's an awesome secret. There's more to it about that too down the road. I hope this helped. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you to be a better YouTuber.